Hey there, welcome back to Julie's Wreath Boutique, and we are going to craft tonight. We are not going to make a wreath, but listen, have you seen all those tote bags and the backpacks, and they have all these really cool patches on it? Well, I'm going to show you how to save money and do it yourself, and even use things you already have on hand. So let's get started. Hi guys, it's just going to be a really quick video tonight. Happy Labor Day if you're watching, because this is Labor Day weekend of 2023, and I wanted to do some backpacks for my kids for school. And I picked these backpacks up at Amazon, and they were really good quality. And let's just talk about the fact that you can go to Target, Walmart, and spend a nice fortune for a backpack. So I wanted to show you how to kind of personalize it, and your kids will always know it's there. So you are going to need some parchment paper for this project, and you're going to need some of this quick dry instantly glue, and I will have this all linked down below. I got it off of Amazon. The backpacks, everything, the patches will all be on the down low in the description box. This was actually an Amazon Live that I had done part of this project in, and so I recorded part of it to kind of show you guys over here, because I know not everybody has an Amazon account. But if you watch me on Amazon Live, you'll see me craft live there. So I got all these different little patches, and they're iron-on patches, but I tried them before, and I really feel like this dry instantly glue helps seal the deal, so to speak. So you're going to get whatever patches you want. I, of course, will leave them all in the description box for you guys, so don't worry about that. But my kids went through all the different patches that we had, and they picked out what they wanted on their backpack. So right there, I was doing Crosby's initials, and then all the little extras that he picked out, and we're just adding a little bit of this glue. A little bit of this glue goes a long way, okay? And I don't know, there might be better glue to do, but this stuff dries so fast. It's one of the reasons why I wanted to use it. Now I'm going to show you really fast here how I put the patches on my daughter's backpack that she decided to make. And then we're going to show you how to do the last step. Now, earlier in this video, I showed you a little iron, and what I'm using is my Cricut little mini iron, but I have another one in my Amazon storefront that's like $12 or $13. So it probably doesn't get quite as hot as my Cricut one, but it'll do the job. So I really enjoyed doing this and putting this together for them. They absolutely loved it, and we just kind of were pretty random with it. So once these dry a little bit, about 5 minutes, you're going to take that parchment paper and you're going to go in between the patches, the parchment paper, and your little iron. Now, you're probably going to do this. You're going to do this for a little bit of a while. You're going to keep this iron on. I know there's lights in this picture, guys, but it was an Amazon Live, and I was showing them some stuff that they could buy. But as you can see here, this is a little bit not real time, but you can just see I keep going over it and I check it, and it just really turned out really nice. My little boy, I would have this blue one in the shot today, but he went on a little trip with his daddy, and he took his backpack proudly with him for his little overnight trip. So as you can see, I found a spot that needed a little bit more ironing, and I solved that problem. But I think they turned out super cute. You're going to see the reveal in 3, 2, 1. Yeah, no, Julie, that wasn't good enough. So hold on. It's coming. Here it is. Here it is, guys. I love doing the voiceovers. Do you guys like the voiceovers? But I wanted to give you some content tonight. And next week, we're going to have a new pumpkin wreath, guys. So I can't wait to share that one with you. So these are some bags that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. But if you already have bags like this at home, use them and like make them special. But these are pretty inexpensive, $4.99 at Hobby Lobby, and they were 40% off, so great deal. Now these patches that I have here have a backing on them, so you're gonna need to take that backing off. It has a sticky backing, and I think that they're meant that you don't have to iron it, but I still ironed it regardless because I just wanted to. So I picked out a little flower for Mom, and this one was even $3.99. This was even cheaper, and it was the perfect little lipstick bag. So I went through the patches that the kids had, and They had Boss Lady. I had to do it, right, guys? So I had to do the lips for the lipstick, and you're just gonna put it wherever you want. And then you're just going to put the lips on. Again, have fun with this. You can really make it special. We did some for my daughter's friends, little crossbody bags. And did you know that I sing and play the piano? That's why I put the music note on there. Fun fact for you. And you're going to do the same thing that we did with the backpacks. This was recorded in 2 different days, as you can see. I have a different sweater on and a different background, but you're going to do the same thing, and you're going to do the same thing on the pink bag as well. Now, make sure not to use too much glue. Go to the description box. Find all the links of the stuff I got on Amazon. Check out me, that doesn't even make sense. Check me out on Amazon Live. I'll leave that link down below too, guys. But this is the finished product. My kids loved it. Again, Crosby had his on his little trip, so I didn't get to share it. But if you watch all the way through, make sure to leave me a pumpkin for the pumpkin wreath tutorial that's coming next Sunday. You're gonna love it.